So another day, we're going to do another day of puppy culture, a new sound, huh guys? Good morning, hi. Yeah, they're definitely starting to get a little more animated, starting to play a little, aren't ya? Yeah. All right, today's sound is a crinkle sound. It kind of sounds like a bag. Let's see how it goes. Yep, you guys don't really care about that at all, do you? You're definitely awake today, aren't you? You're awake right now, huh? So they did great as usual. We'll see you again tomorrow with a new culture item. See you then. Bye. Hi, guys. Yeah, what? Tanana, you are a climber, aren't you? You're a real climber, aren't you? Hello, Anoko. Where you going, honey? What was that, Anoko? Huh? Oh, he's got you now. You're in trouble. Kenai, and who's got you, Kenai? Oh, Rut. Rut was a nibbling with no teeth.